Good morning! Good morning, beautiful! Hi, Barbie, you look so pretty today. Oh my god, look at this handsome guy right here. Wow, I know, right? He's so beautiful, Marvel. I love you. You sit so pretty. This is how you sit? Wow, you sit so pretty. Guys, it's a beautiful day outside. It's sunny, it's also windy and chilly. So 3 weathers in one day. It's like windy, but the wind is very cold. So I just made my shake and tea, and I made a recipe video like I told you in my previous vlog that I'll be making recipes tomorrow. I did that. And guys, you guys are gonna go crazy over this recipe once it is out. And that's it. I mean, it's an amazing day. Today we are going to my brother and his fiance's place, so I'm kind of winding up all the work before we go. I'm gonna enjoy my tea and shake right now, and then clean up the house, and then pack Marvel's stuff, his food, pack our stuff, and go. Once Mike is back from work, he's gone to office today, so I am home alone. So anyways, I'm going to start, and yeah, the shots that we took yesterday for our recipe video, oh my god, they came out so good. So I was just editing them right now, and it is crazy good. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today's day is gonna be so much fun, and tomorrow is gonna be so much more fun because you're gonna see some new things. And I'm gonna tell you right now, you can see in my tomorrow's vlog, like when I shoot tomorrow's vlog. So yep, that is what is happening, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now let's get back to work. Yes, I love you too. I am going to be applying a face mask right now. I made this mask yesterday. It just has chickpea flour, yogurt and turmeric. Marvel, come out of the kitchen, please. So whenever I apply this mask, look at Marvel. He always comes here. I think he can smell yogurt and chickpea flour, and he has tasted yogurt because it is good for their gut. So I give him yogurt sometimes as a probiotic. So I'm just gonna apply. Sitting outside. Marvel, no! Come here! Come on! Guys, look at him. Watching me from there. Yes, I love you too. You can all eat this. It's so cute. Once I'm done with this, I have to clean my house. Nothing major cleaning, just like sweeping the floors, emptying the trash because it'll be going today. So, and I also have to I'll show you what I'm actually planning to do. So when we take Marvel out in our cars, this, like our front seats, the headrest, whenever he's super energetic or tired or something, so our headrest becomes dirty because he just keeps roaming around in the car backside. So that's why I have a project. I have like a thing in my head. I have this very big pillow cover. It's like this big. You can see like a body pillow cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half from between and make it like a cap for the headrest, so that whenever we take him out, I can do something like this. Just put it on the seats, and the seats also don't get dirty. Marvel now, out. And done. Marvel now! Marvel here! Drinks coming off! He got on in the countertop. Anyway, this is done. So let me show you what I'm planning to do. So you can see, Marvel, please come out, Baba. Please. Go play with your toy. So this is the pillow cover. You can see this. It's really big. So I'm just gonna cut it half from this here, and just put it in my headrest like this. So let's see whether I can complete this project successfully or not. So guys, I took bath. I did not go to the gym today because I have a lot of work to do and I do not have time for gym today. So I took bath. I packed Marvel's food, but I was short of chicken necks, so I am defrosting them right here really quick. I hope they defrost before, they usually take 24 hours, but I hope they defrost before 5 o'clock because I filled hot water in the basin, in the sink. So yes, and I've also made my lunch. I was really hungry because last night I did not eat any dinner because I was shooting the video and I was so tired, didn't get time, so I just slept. And so right now I made khichdi. I wanted to eat something very simple and easy, so I made khichdi for myself. Khichdi is just masoor dal and rice, plain simple khichdi. So I'm just gonna eat that and then again start packing. And yeah, that is what is happening. This is the cake box that we, oh yeah, I did not even show you guys till now. So yesterday the recipe that I was shooting was macaroons, French macaroons, and I have mastered it, guys. I have mastered it. So I made them for my brother and sister-in-law, and Mayank made a beautiful cake for them because you guys are gonna know it tomorrow. So let me just show you real quick, and you guys can see later on properly. These are the macaroons that I made. I know they look store-bought, but trust me guys, I made that at home. And this is the cake that Mayank made for them. So we'll be taking these things today, and yeah, so that's what I am, hold on. So that is what is happening right now, and I'm quickly gonna eat something. I'm super hungry. And that's it. Yeah, a little bit of ghee will make it super delicious. That's it. I know most of the people eat when they're sick or something, khichdi, but I just love to eat it. It's really quick. I always make it in my Instant Pot. It is so quick and delicious. So I'm gonna go watch something on TV and enjoy my food, and after that I will get back to you guys when I am packing. So the macaroons that I made, I'm gonna take it for them. I told you guys, and then I'm not gonna tell them at first that I made it. I'm just gonna say I got it from a really nice, it's like a store I found near me, near my place, where they sell macaroons and all this stuff, and I got it for you guys. And I'm gonna let them taste and ask them how it is. Is it good? Should I get it again from there? And that's when I'm gonna tell them that I made it. It's going to be super fun. If I can, I will definitely record their reaction. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat. Time to start packing. We're gonna take this back, so let's see. So I am almost packed, and I've almost packed everything right here. Whenever Mayank comes back, he just have to pack up his clothes, and that's it. That will be it. Yeah. So I have our Herbalife shakes and tea and everything. Oh yeah, I also have to carry aloe. We're just taking everything for our breakfast and everything. So I am having this chicken salad and broccoli cheddar soup. Super hungry because I had my lunch like really early. So let's have some salad and soup. Guys, we are out, and the one that I was stitching today, it was a success. You can see it fits here properly. Mine is also back from work, and Marvel is also all set. We have to stop, and we have all the luggage, his bed and everything, so let's go.
Okay guys, so Tanya told you that it's a surprise why we are here. So in tomorrow's vlog, it's gonna be super duper exciting. So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. We came here around 7ish. This is Marvel. We have locked him with us because they don't have a doggy door and we forgot to bring ours. So I have nothing to stop him from going in the kitchen, and there is a lot of stuff outside. So we have to pretty much dog proof this apartment tomorrow. And I have set up his bed and everything in the corner there so that he feels comfortable. But as always, he's lying near the door. So yes, I have work tomorrow, so I'll be working tomorrow, and they'll also go to work tomorrow, and Tanya is gonna help them with some of the stuff because they have recently moved. She's gonna help them with some organization and stuff while they're gone. But tomorrow is the main surprise, so stay tuned. And when tomorrow's vlog will come out, you cannot miss it. You cannot miss it. So anyways, we came, and after we came, we went outside and we did a takeout for our dinner from Waffle House real quick, and we didn't play anything. They had to go and get some stuff done. Again, it's for the surprise, that's why I'm not telling you. But yeah, that is pretty much what we did since we are here.
And also they love the macaroons. I showed them the macaroons.
They love the macaroon, and we haven't yet eaten the cake, so that will happen tomorrow. And that's it. So we are gonna hit the bed now. We are pretty tired from everything today. It has been a hectic day.
Long day.
So very long day. So anyways, good night. Bye. And I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye bye.